Good morning, students. And today I will teach section formula also. That is section B. Okay, section B and equation of straight line in 3D space. And previous class I also discussed the formula. Okay. Now I will do some few sums, numerical problem. See, I am showing you. Right. Vector equation of a line. Okay, now writing today, see, vector equation, right, vector equation of a line, vector equation of a line. Okay, now consider a line, okay, passes through the point, through the point, say x1, y1 and z1, and having direction ratio A, B, C. Okay, consider a line passes through the point x1, y1, z1 and having the direction ratio A, B, C. Okay, again let us consider a point, suppose x, y, z on the line. You have to consider. And previous class I also discussed direction cosine. 2 points are given. So direction cosine of these 2 points. Okay, direction ratios are, so x minus x1, y minus y1 and z minus z1. Okay, like that, x minus x1, y minus y1 and z minus z1. Okay, now we have to consider here given direction ratio is given A, B, C. So you can write here x minus x1 equal to, suppose A into lambda. Consider a lambda not equal to 0. Okay, here lambda not equal to 0 be any parameter. Okay, lambda is any parameter, so we have to consider A lambda. Similar way, y minus y1 equal to B lambda and z minus z1 equal to C lambda. Consider. From here you can write here x equal to x1 plus A lambda, y equal to y1 plus B lambda, okay, and z equal to z1 plus C lambda. Okay, see, first you have to consider a line which passes through the point x1, y1, z1 and having direction ratio A, B, C. Again let us consider a point x, y, z on the line. Direction ratio is given x minus x1, all of you know, y minus y1 and z minus z1. Then x minus x1 to consider A lambda, where lambda not equal to 0 be a parameter. So x minus x1 A lambda, y minus y1 B lambda, z minus z1 C lambda. So from here we can write x equal to x1 plus A lambda, y equal to y1 plus B lambda, z equal to z1 plus C lambda. Okay, now so vector equation of R equal to, you can write now xi plus yj plus zk, all of you know, Yes, the position vector of P given by the position vector, right? The position vector P is given by, we can write R equal to xi plus yj plus k z. Okay, xi plus yj plus zk, right? Same zk. Now you put here x, the value of x1 plus a lambda. See, x here xi, like that, xi is a vector. Okay, so xi, x equal to x1 plus a lambda. So you put here x1 plus a lambda I plus y1 plus b lambda j plus z1 plus c lambda k. Okay, now we can write here multiple I j k. So x1 I plus y1 j plus z1 k. Okay, plus lambda common a I lambda. So lambda common, that is a I plus b j plus c k, lambda constant parameter. Okay, so R. So vector equation we can write here. Okay, so vector equation, look at here. Okay, R xi x1 I cap y1 j cap z1 k cap. Okay, lambda into of this part. So here you can write here, all remember vector equation, we can write vector equation of a line R equal to write x1 I cap y1 j z1 k plus lambda into ai bj ck. This is vector equation, okay, of a line. So this we can write in Cartesian form also. This equation we can write in Cartesian form. Okay, suppose Cartesian form is given, you convert into vector form. Okay, and vector form you convert into Cartesian form. So in Cartesian form you can write, look at here, in Cartesian form we can write the equation of line equal to, see here, x minus x1 by a equal to y minus y1 by b equal to z minus z1 by c. We have to write. Okay, Cartesian equation of a line passing through the point x1 y1 z1. Cartesian equation of the straight line in 3D space. So you can write here the passing through the point x1 y1 z1 and having direction ratio a b c. The equation is x minus x1 by a, y minus y1 by b, z minus z1 by c, each called Cartesian equation in symmetrical form. Cartesian equation in symmetrical form. Okay, all of remember this one. Now I am giving some, look at here. Suppose the equation of the line, okay, here is given. So question number 1. If the equation of a line or vector equation is given 2i 9j 3k plus lambda into minus I plus 5k vector. Okay, see here, look at here, you have to compare x1i minus, so here you have to compare R vector equation, all of you know, x1i vector plus y1 j vector plus z1 k vector plus lambda into ai plus bj plus ck. Okay, right? See, so x1, compare x1 to y1 minus 9 z1 3. Here abc, a minus 1 b 0 c 5. So having point, the equation, the straight line passes to the point here 2 minus 9 3 and direction ratio minus 1 0 5. Give like that. Okay, the direction ratio, don't give first bracket or second bracket or third bracket, like that you can write, or you have to write here like that, direct write minus 1 comma 0 comma 5, like that you have to write minus 1 0 5. Okay, this is given. So this is given, this point is there 2 minus 9 3 and direction ratio minus 1 b 0 5. Okay, similar way again, next question I am giving, question number 2. See, if the equation of a line is given by, question number 2, if the line is R, that is 1 minus lambda I plus 2 lambda minus 1 of j plus lambda 2 k vector. Find direction ratio and the point. First one multiply. Look at here. I here minus j here twice k. Okay. Then plus lambda into I is there. So minus 1 I, that is minus 1 into I j plus 2 j plus k in bracket. So a point is there, x1 y1 z1, right? x1 y1 z1. You can then 1 minus 1 2. Okay, I here say 1 minus 1 2 and ABC, right? ABC here minus 1 2 1. So this is direction ratio minus 1 2 1, and the point, the straight line passing to the point 1 minus 1 and 2. Okay, 1 minus 1 and 2. The next one. Okay, question number 3. Given, if the equation of a line is, question number 3, if the equation of a line is x by 3 y by minus 4 equal to z, this is given, find the point and direction ratio. Find the point of a line and direction ratio. So this one we can write, look at here, x by 3 we can write x minus 0 by 3, y minus 0 by minus 4, z minus 0 by 0. So the point here 0 0 0 and direction ratio 3 minus 4 0. Okay, right now 3 minus 4, this is direction ratio is there, and here nothing is there, so write 0 0 0. Okay, next question number 4. See, if the equation of a line are 5x, question number 4, if the line equation of a line are 5x minus 3 equal to 15y plus 7 equal to 3 minus 10z, 3 minus 10z is given. Find the direction ratio and the point. Okay, see, find the direction ratio. So this equation we can write here. From here you take common 5, x minus 3 by 5. Okay, here take 15 common, y plus 7 by 15, again equal to minus 10 common, z minus 3 by 10. Okay, now you can write here x minus 3 by 5 by 1 by 5. See, 5 is there, denominator will go minus 1 by 1 by 5. Similar way, 50, that is y plus 7 by 15 by 1 by 15 and z minus 3 by 10 by minus 10. Okay, sorry, 1 by 10 minus 1 by 10. Okay, now point and see, 3 by 5 minus 7 by 15, 3 by 10, these are the point. Okay, these are the point and direction ratio. Ratios are, see here 5, 15, 10, LCM 30, you multiply 30 here, that is 6, 1 by 5 into 30. Okay, 1 by 5 into 30, 6, here 1 by 15 to 30 means 2, here minus 3. So these are direction ratio. So pointer 3 by 5 minus 7 by 15 and 3 by 10, 3 by 10, and direction ratio are 6, 2 minus 3, direction ratio. Okay, listen now, a direction ratio is given, we find direction cosine, then what to do? So direction cosine here, right, DC direction cosine. So we find first root under 6 square plus 2 square minus 3 square, here 36, 4, 9, 49 means 7. So direction cosine you have write 6 by 7, 2 by 7 minus 3 by 7. So these are direction cosine. Okay. So direction ratio is there. So you have to divided by the sum of their square. Okay, square root, sum of their square root. Okay. So yes, square, 6 square, 2 square minus 3 square, the square root. So it will be 7, 7, 7. So 6 by 7, 2 by 7, minus 3 by 7. Okay. Now do it now. Again, look at here. Again, see, again, if the equation of a line given, question number 5, right? Question number 5. If the equation of a line x minus 2 by 2, 2y minus 5 by minus 3 and z equal to minus 1, then find direction ratio of the line and point. Okay, see, these two are equal, so you can consider x minus 2 by 2 equal to 5 by minus 3 equal to lambda. You can consider again this one, z equal to minus 1. Okay, minus 1 plus lambda you can consider, no? So 0 into lambda you can write. So here minus 1 is there. So 0 into lambda you can consider, but lambda not equal to 0. Okay. So from here z plus 1 by 0 you can write lambda. So these two are lambda. So you can write here x minus 2 by 2, 2y minus 5 by minus 3, z 0. Okay, right. So here x minus 2 by 2, 2 common, y minus 5 by 2 by minus 3, z plus 1 by 0. So right here x minus 2 by 2, y minus 5 by 2 by minus 3 by 2 equal to z plus 1 by 0. So point you have to write here 2, 5 by 2, minus 1, and direction ratio write 2 minus 3 by 2, 0. Direction ratio 2 minus 3 by 2 into 0. Okay? Whatever discussed now, all of you practice at home. Okay? All of you practice at home. Okay? No more today, and next week appeal exam will be started. Okay? All of you practice at home. Already discussed in previous time, section B or section C of the attempt, either section B or section C. Okay, 40 marks question is there and very easy paper. Okay, best of luck all of you, my dear students. Okay, no more today. Bye.